He used to be angry, always shouting, hitting walls, hurting people. Then the chip was installed. He smiled more, apologized, said thank you. He even hugged his father for the first time in years. But one day, the smile stayed frozen. The hug became a chokehold, and the kindness turned to rage. You're watching Tech Science Insights, where future technology meets the human soul. If you're fascinated by brain chips, AI, and the thin line between help and horror, consider subscribing. New videos daily. What is the kindness chip? Imagine a small chip implanted in the brain. Its job? To regulate emotions and suppress aggression. It monitors your neural activity, detects when you're about to get angry, and blocks the outburst with a flood of calm-inducing signals. In theory, it's a dream for parents of violent children or prisons trying to reform dangerous criminals. Governments and companies are already exploring emotional regulation implants for social harmony, and early versions of such chips are being tested in labs to treat PTSD, bipolar disorder, and explosive rage disorders. But what happens when the chip overcorrects? How it works. The technology. The chip connects to the limbic system, the brain's emotional center. It reads electrical signals tied to rage, stress, or impulsive behavior. When danger is detected, it sends neuroelectric pulses to calm you down. Think of it like a digital conscience, constantly policing your emotions in real time, but designed to suppress anger. Accidentally interprets compassion as weakness? What if it begins replacing love with control? A boy hugs his friend, and the chip believes it's inappropriate touch. A child refuses to smile at strangers, and the chip triggers a forced, painful grin, followed by unexplained aggression. In early lab simulations, animals implanted with emotion-modulating chips turned violent when denied food or stimulation for too long. They lashed out, not with intent, but as a mechanical reflex. Old, robotic, terrifying. Prediction: the future of emotion regulation. Experts believe that within 10-15 years, neural emotion chips could become commercial, used in schools to tame hyperchildren, in prisons to replace solitary confinement, in workplaces to create calm, obedient employees. But there's a chilling side. Would your emotions still belong to you? Or would they be licensed, controlled by algorithms owned by governments or corporations? Would empathy be genuine or manufactured? And worst of all, what if someone hacked your kindness chip and turned it into a trigger for violence? DARPA has been working on mood-controlling implants for veterans with PTSD. Neuralink and other companies are building BCIs, brain-computer interfaces that can alter emotional states. DeepMind AI is researching models that predict human behavior, including aggression, based on neural patterns. We're already on the path. Today, it's depression. Tomorrow, it could be disobedience. From an Islamic lens, emotions are a gift from Allah, tests and blessings both. We are told to control our anger, not erase it, to speak kindly, not be programmed into silence. A machine may help mental health, but once it controls the soul, it crosses a line. A heart cannot be replaced by a chip. So imagine this. You're walking down the street. Someone bumps into you. You start to get annoyed, but the chip inside your head tells you, stay calm, be kind, and you do. But the next time it malfunctions, you might not even know you're hurting someone until it's too late. If this video left you questioning the future of emotions and control, you're not alone. At Tech Science Insights, we bring you the truth behind the tech shaping our souls. Subscribe for daily deep dives and share this video with someone who thinks the future is safe, because sometimes kindness can kill.